So a little birdie told me that you want to know how to do window art. Well, I'm going to show you exactly how to get the client, how to price it, how to actually paint the mural onto glass, and step by step what to do so you can also make some money doing the exact same thing. Number one, how do you get a glass art job? So what I did was I went onto my local Facebook groups and I made a little post on there saying that I can paint on glass. I had a business reach out to me, a bar called the Hula Bar, and they asked me how much to do a small little window. This is only 1 meter by 1 meter, something like that. It's very small. So I charged $300 to do this mural, and then I also charged $30 at the end to put a varnish on top of it. Number two, what materials do you need for painting on glass? Well, I like to use a mixture of interior house paint, ideally eggshell, because it has really great texture and it can last for a little bit longer, and also just your normal acrylic paints. These work really well and they also come off very easily. And then finally, you need some Posco chalk marker pens. Now I'm going to show you how exactly I do the designs. I just went on to Procreate and I've obviously already done the design, so these are the layers right here. So what I like to do is first get the image on a flat canvas on Procreate and do the design, and then I put it up onto the glass onto a new layer, and then I just rub out the background and add some more details and distort it so it actually fits the glass, so then I can send the client a mock-up of what exactly it's going to look like. Today I'm going to be showing you how to paint on windows. So your first step is to clean the windows. So get yourself a squeegee and some window cleaner, and you want to make sure you can fully see through it very well because it's probably not going to get cleaned again for a while. Next, you need to tape up the edges of your window. I really like to use Posco pens, and I go to the front side of the glass and I just go in on white, the basic outline of the design, and then I go to the other side of the painting and I can then paint the mural. So what you want to do is think of a painting, how you would do it. You usually add the highlights last, but when you do glass art, you need to reverse that. So you need to do the last bits of your painting first and then work your way backwards. I just grabbed some window cleaner and cleaned off the white Posco pen on the front of the glass. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video and this tutorial on how you can start your very own glass art business. I wish you guys all the success, and yeah, let me know if you have any other questions just down in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on this video, and I'll see you all in the next one.